Right, students. Let's look into the next part of our continuous frequency distribution. We have done exclusive series, we have done inclusive series, and now third on our radar is open-end series. So remember it, third in the category is open-end series. Now, just concentrate further to uh, the the finger pointed portion of the board. If you see the classes here representing the wages, the first one is less than 250, right? Last one is above 750. In both the cases, in the first one, the lower limit is not known, in the last one is upper limit is not known. Such type of frequency distribution wherein the upper limit of the last class or the lower limit of the first class is not given, it is referred as open-end series, right? You may also get certain types of distribution, students, wherein upper limit is given but the lower limit is not given, or lower limit is given but upper limit is not given, right? In all cases, it is considered to be open-end series. So we have taken a very good example where both lower limit as well as upper limit is given to you. Now, important question: why there is a need for open-end series? See, many a times you get values. Suppose wages of one of the workers, a manager, is around 3,000 rupees as such, right? Now, to accommodate 3,000, we need to have further classes of 750 to 1,000, thereafter 1,000 to 1,250 if we go consistently, which will create a lot of issue. So, is just to accommodate one or two person who are having high grade salary or wages, it is better to have an open-end scenario where anything above 750 should be included as part of this class above 750. Am I clear? So, primarily to accommodate extreme values, such type of series are given the importance. Clear? Now, question comes: whenever you are doing analysis means when you will do uh, calculation of mean, median, mode, and the other values as such further, we need to require such values converted into regular exclusive series. So, can we do it? Let's find out. The example number one, just check it: less than 20, 20 to 40, last one being above 80. Now, if you just look into the board properly, students, you will find out that 20 to 40, 40 to 60, if it is visible, you will find out that there is the class interval is consistent, 20 each throughout, right? Which also means we can easily make our prediction that this class can be rewritten as 0 to 20, and the last one can be rewritten as 80 to 100 on the basis of what is followed and what is preceded, if I am going into this one, in the mid segment. So mid classes will help you to identify whether an open-end series can be converted into exclusive or not. So I have converted this example. Let's take one more, students. The one below. Less than 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 90, 90 to 140. Now you see there is no consistency. But if you check it out, the gap here is 30, gap here is 40, the gap here is 50. So the mid classes are increasing, the class intervals of the mid classes is increasing consistently. Therefore, we can make an assumption that less than 20, the previous class before 30 must be of the size class interval 20. So I can rewrite this one as 0 to 20 if I have to present in exclusive form, and the mid threes will continue, and the last one, because it is last one 50, this one should be, the gap should be 60, so it will be rewritten as 140 to 200. I hope all of you are understanding it. So two types can be converted: A, where the mid classes are having consistent class intervals, and the other one where it is increasing at a pace which can be recognized easily, right? It is increasing constantly at a pace of 10 each. Therefore, we make an assumption for the last one, right? I am giving you one more, students. Just check out for this one. Wages and the number of workers. If I take this one as less than 100, What about this? 100 to 200. What about this? 200 to 250. Then 250 to 375. Last one 375 to 420. And the last one now is above 420. Now, if you look into this one, students, just see. Gap 100, now gap 150, now it is 75, now it is what? Around 45. So there is no consistency as such and there is no pattern in the mid values. In such cases, unfortunately, you cannot convert into exclusive series. So only certain types of open-end series can be converted into exclusive one, not all of them. Remember it. A good example, the last one, as such. Thank you.